is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. This is the wrong answer. What do you do here?
Law.
Low. Nice. Don't sue me. Brother, my name is Sagar. May I know your name?
My name is Shivjot.
Shiv Jot. Can I call you Shiv only?
Yeah.
Shiv, you have two options. Should I ask you a grammar question and you will tell me the structure of that? Or should I ask you a sentence to correct?
I'll correct the sentence.
Okay. So my sentence is, me and my friend will call you after some time.
Me and my friend.
Will call you after some time.
Me and my friend will call you after some time. Me and my friend.
Time is getting
Okay,
over.
I'm getting a little concept. It was that me cannot be placed in the first position, so it
Very
will be
good.
I and my friend.
Congratulations, this is the right answer, brother. Here is your Maggie, here is your water bottle. Kindly take this also. Thank you so much, brother. May I know your name?
My name is Prabjot Kaur.
Prabjot Kaur. Can I call you Prab only?
Yes.
Okay, Prab. So you have two options.
Okay.
Either you can correct my sentence or I can ask you a grammar question.
Grammar question.
Grammar question. So can you tell me 3 rules of simple present tense?
Correct this sentence.
Correct the sentence, you want to change it? Okay. So what tense you think you know very well? I'll ask you question accordingly.
Past.
Past. You and your friend went to him. That's it.
Me and my friend had gone to that place.
That is wrong. You cannot start a sentence with me and there were few more mistakes.
Okay.
But still you tried, that's why here is your Maggie. Thank you so much, Prab. So my sentence is, I had my breakfast. Is it right or wrong?
No, it's wrong.
Can you correct it?
Yeah, I had my breakfast. You used it twice.
That sentence was also right. That sentence was also right. Yeah. But still you participated. Thank you so much. Here is your Maggie, brother. May I know your good name?
Mohit.
Mohit. So Mohit, should I ask you sentence to correct or should I ask you grammar question?
Anything you want.
Anything I want? Okay. Could you tell me with which form of verb can we use S or ES?
In which?
With which form of verb can we use S or ES?
First? नहीं.
Quickly, brother.
Second?
This is the wrong answer, brother. Thank you so much for participating. Here is your Maggie and you can May I know your name?
My name is Anshima Khimta.
A very big name. Could you repeat?
Anshima Khimta.
तू समझा?
Do you have any nickname?
You can say me Anshima.
Anshima. Anshu. Okay, Anshu, that's a good name. That's an easy name to pronounce. Okay, so Anshu, I'm giving you an option. Should I give you a sentence to correct or should I give you a question where you need to answer me something regarding grammar?
Regarding grammar.
Grammar. Okay. When we use ES with first form of verb.
With the ES.
When we use ES with first form
When
of
singular.
Huh?
It's singular when we use.
That's a wrong answer. Can you use I goes to?
No, sorry, plural. Oh,
That's
God.
still wrong answer. But thank you so much, Ashu, for participating. Here is your Maggie. I know your name?
My name is Tanish.
Tanish. So Tanish, should I ask you a question regarding grammar or should I give you a sentence to correct? Sentence. Okay. So my sentence is, if you will come with me, I will give you some gifts.
दुआती बोलियो.
If you will come with me, I will give you some gifts.
मैं समझिया.
If you will come with me, I will give you some gifts.
ना अगर.
If you will come with me, I will give you some gifts. And this is the last time I am repeating.
If I. तो यू ही कहना कि मैं अपनी तरफ से.
You need to correct my sentence.
अच्छा. If you come with me, I will give you some gifts.
That's the right answer. Congratulations.
Bye photo.
Yashika. So Yashika, should I ask you a question where you can correct my sentence, or should I ask you a grammar question?
Correction.
Correction. So my sentence is, I had my breakfast.
क्या?
I had my breakfast.
I had my best breakfast.
My sentence is also right. So your answer is wrong. Thank you so much for participating. Here is your Maggie. बहुत बढ़िया. आप बताओ सर. Sir, my name is Sagar. I'm a YouTuber and I train English language as well as French language. May I know your name?
Rajat.
Are you comfortable with English?
Yes.
Okay. So, sorry, I forgot your name.
Rajat.
Rajat. Okay, Rajat. So, should I ask you a sentence to correct or should I ask you a grammar question?
ये ग्रामर के सेंटेंस
Sentence. Okay. So, my sentence is, I have had my breakfast.
इसको करेक्ट करना है. करेक्ट ही है सर ये. I had my
breakfast. I have had my breakfast.
I had have फिर बोलिए.
This is the last time. I have had my breakfast.
I had my breakfast.
My sentence is also right, brother. You didn't need
सर
to correct
I
it.
have had कौन सा हो गया? दो
Subject plus, has, have plus, third form of verb plus, object. It is a present perfect tense. Thank you so much for participating, brother. So, Sunaina, should I ask you a question to correct or sentence to correct, or should I ask you a grammar question?
Sentence to correct.
Okay. So, my sentence is, I have been played this activity for 1 hour.
This is a correct sentence.
This is a wrong sentence. But thank you so much for participating. May I know what do you do here?
Law.
Law. Nice. Don't sue me. So Komal, should I tell you a sentence to correct or should I ask you a grammar question?
Correct sentence.
Okay, so my sentence is same which I asked to that student also. So my sentence is, I have been played this activity for 1 hour. I have been played this activity for 1 hour.
दोबारा रिपीट कर सकते
This is the last time.
Okay.
I have been played this activity for 1 hour.
I had played this activity for 1 hour.
Could you repeat? Yes.
I have played this activity for 1 hour.
This is the wrong sentence, but thank you so much for participating. So Anmol, should I give you a sentence to correct or should I give you a grammar question?
Correct.
Correct. Your English is good or average? Or below average? Average. So should I ask you an easy question? Very easy. I am meet everyone after some time.
की करना.
Correct करना है.
दोबारा बोलिए.
I am meet everyone after some time.
I am meet every time after some time.
That's a wrong sentence, brother. You have to. Here is it. You can keep it also. Okay, so Bran, should I tell you a sentence to correct or should I ask you a grammar question?
Do a sentence to correct.
Sentence to correct. My sentence is, I am meet you after some time.
I am meet you
After some time.
I will meet you after some time.
Congratulations, this is the right answer. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. Take that also.
My name is Gursevak.
Good Sevak.
Yes.
Good Sevak, are you able to understand English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good Sevak. Should I tell you a sentence to correct or should I ask you a grammar question?
You can't ask me the sentence.
Sentence. So my sentence is, I have had my breakfast.
I had my breakfast.
My sentence was also right. It was not an incorrect sentence. It was the right sentence.
But there are two forms of the verb.
It's the present perfect tense. Subject plus has have plus third form. Has have's third form is had. That's why it is.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
Okay, right. Thank you so much for participating. Here is your Maggie. Your name?
Anmol, my name is Anmol. Dipsing.
Anmol. Are you able to answer English?
Yes.
Okay, Anmol. Should I give you a sentence to correct or should I ask you a grammar question?
Anything.
Okay. So my question is, grammar question it is. Which form of verb can we use when we are using have in our sentence?
Having answer. First form, it depends, like it is continuous tense or simple indefinite tense. So
That's a wrong answer, brother.
verb की first form वैसे तो
No, no. It's a wrong answer. Here is your Maggie. So Chehek, may I know what do you do here?
I am currently pursuing B pharmacy.
B.
Pharmacy.
Okay. So my sentence is me and my sister were here right now.
Me and my sister are here right now.
That's a wrong sentence. Me we cannot use as our subject because it is an objective pronoun. But thank you so much for participating. Here is your Maggie and you can keep it also. So Ankit, my name is Sagar. I'm a YouTuber plus I train English as a language. May I ask you a sentence to correct or should I ask you a grammar question?
Sentence to correct.
So my sentence is I do so many mistakes.
I do so many mistakes. This is the sentence. I make so many mistakes.
Congratulations, this is the right answer. Very good. Here is your Maggie, here is your water bottle. Thank you so much for participating. Please tell my viewers to subscribe to this channel.
Okay, subscribe. This channel is a good. He can teach English very much.
Thank you so much. Sir.